Scanna, you like it? Yeah. So steer system was do a down payment for our dream team chains, you know, so you know we now have to say 100. So steer system $15,000 for down payment for our chains.
Alright, stay or yourself, order put in right away. Or yourself, you get the dream team. So thank you very much for the support from all of the team.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Scanna, so ready for road?
Yeah.
Yes, a long time you're waiting.
Yeah.
Come choose Scanna, Bana.
Baby girl, I was scared of my
You know, for a long time I go road. Real. You know, if you drive out, you take your size. Go choose Scanna. Yeah. Right away. Oh, them Scanna. Eh?
Go make you ask Scanna so. Once you say there's a laugh, that's Scanna make you laugh. Yes, Scanna, you want to say.
Yeah.
Make that fair at this so. Because you say Scanna wants to iron teeth now. That should be the whole teeth.
Oh. Send him on the road. Watch your walk, Scanna. Anyway, the man say. Watch your walk, Scanna. Watch the walk. The walk. In there.
Walk with you. That's cool. Cool out the way to play brother side. Where are you? Get back.
For anything, I can't let Philip key here.
Okay.
Can't let Philip key here for anything.
When I tell
Scanna.
Keep it real, you know.
Keep it real. Yes,
Yeah.
long time ago road.
Good while, man.
Good while. But I bring you buy a pair of shoes for you, you know? Yeah, man. So, you don't know you have to give thanks to me for the donor every time.
All the while.
Clive and Monina.
Clive and money.
Yeah, from Canada. So I don't want to Scanna walk in the standard because it's not safe, you know. They want to something with balance. So then say, yo, you need to put a nice, comfortable pair of shoes. Right?
It's a blessing, you know.
It's a blessing, man. Clive and Monina. See there. Alright, then we're there already.
Yeah, man. We're there, man.
And the hero. One team, yeah.
Yeah. Dream team, you know.
Bring Scanna up on the journey. Scanna.
watch the program and
Good look.
some good things are going for the program.
Yeah.
The program up like sevens.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
a whole lot of people they need some things and you people see them. Thumbs up.
Everything.
Look now, Saturday.
For a long time, man. Oh, them yeah. Some kind of them one yeah. Them the those kind of. Go on in, no? Go on in.
Come by the table now. Come and get your consecrated olive oil. Come and get your blessed water. Blessed water, $100.
Got that Marvin and see. It's too big.
We are a patasat.
Yeah?
We are patasat.
Oh. How that feel? Stand up. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, for the road.
Yeah?
For the road, that one.
Yeah. After next one?
Live.
Live.
Put on them now. That is them who put it on. That's about how I'm dropping now. That's about how I'm moving on.
Blessed water, $100.
Yeah, that's about the best difference. How that? How that?
Yo, we decided to
Family, walk on.
Marcel.
Up top my family, same sort of thing go, you know.
Step on the work.
So you know, link with my family.
Cool no man.
Watch what me I do, brother.
Yeah.
You don't watch what me I do. Watch you drive, yeah.
Come see how to put in the work yourself.
Yeah, my family.
And then there man I pass through man, you know.
That's your word, man.
Bring a scan up on the road and forward.
Link me say, man.
Alright then.
Hear me say, sir?
Yeah man, cuz. Alright. Yeah, well, mommy I see what I go and everybody I see what I go.
Alright, that's your word, I know, you know.
Alright then, cuz. Yeah.
That's link me, yeah, my family.
Yeah man.
Sharp way.
Really?
Steve like that, I don't want to come deep it. I don't want to come deep it.
What go on, Dad? The young mother.
20.
My name from Renee.
Wow. And it's nice, yo. Me and it's nice, yo.
Yeah, then I like.
I'm sorry, bud.
One game I wanna come second one.
Scanna.
Scan them. You know, Scanna we gotta tell the Clive and money, you know. You tell them.
All good.
Yeah. So you can tell them all the thanks you want. Tell them. So we give thanks to Clive and money, you know.
Yeah, give thanks
you know,
to Clive and money, you know.
to support you and make sure you say your feet well comfortable.
Yeah.
You know, so Clive and money, you know, from Canada. God bless you and build up yourself. Thanks for the support to Scanna. You say comfortable now. Slippers and shoes. Scanna say, yo, I now wear that one day in the yard. I wonder if you want me a goat.
Alright, from the bed to the floor.
Yeah, from the bed to the floor. Scanna up now. No more falling.
No.
Yeah. Alright then, Scanna.
Yeah.
Come over here. Yes,
It's a party, you know, to come to me.
it's a party.
I want new girls not to get over. About 4 more when I'm more than.
Yeah.
No.
So if we come here, bring a party tomorrow. Alright.
Girls, I'm not going to know some sticker if you stand up and talk to them.
Yeah.
So now get one sticker, no sticker.
Yeah. So we're gonna bring a party tomorrow, Marvin.
2 long pants and 2 sets of bottom.
Yeah. So you're buzzed out.
All the while them singing and shouting. So when I'm crazy about me already. I'll make it grow some more.
It's kind of full of targets, man.
Come next, mother.
Alright, that's kind
All the best.
Yeah.
All I sponsors, thank you to
Yeah. Alright.
One team, you know.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Whoa. You are going in the kitchen, zaga out.
yeah, man.
See there?
In the kitchen and I know we have to clean up same time.
Yeah, which is right. It look like pot is ready.
Yeah, man.
So we have a fish on the menu today.
Yes, man.
Swim around.
Rice.
And pumpkin rice.
You know?
Eh?
Yes, yes.
Wow, chef.
Yes, man. Step on the ground, man. You see what I said?
Sure.
You have a lot to show them today, you know, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Pumpkin rice, you know?
Stacey from the UK.
Stacey from the
Yes,
UK.
Yeah.
Stacey from the UK. Well, Stacey with the pumpkin rice, smell nice, man, I tell you. Look for the fancy, you know?
So we're fishing, man.
Yeah, man, Stacey. Enough love and respect and honor, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me check. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Let's take off the bag.
Yeah.
See that? Yeah, man, so swim around and see them, what them there?
Swim around and swim over, man. Float over.
So them look Stacy. Team member. Yeah, man. So them look. Yeah, man, I remember I get the okra. Listen, I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Stacy from the UK. Enough love. All people love and respect. See them now? Pumpkin rice, man. Pumpkin rice.
Jeez, pumpkin rice pretty, man.
Yeah, man, they're steam down, you know?
Pumpkin and rich.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So we're going to make him go and steam down.
Yeah.
Right, we all want it.
Pumpkin and rich.
Rich, man.
Real rich.
Real rich.
Yeah, man. It's a blessing.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing,
It's a
man.
glow.
Yes, yeah, man. Like a pot looks
Long
like,
time
no?
I see a pumpkin rich and rice, you know.
Yeah, man. Pumpkin and rich. I'll buy it, what you say.
Yeah, because I did that same day, but I say you have pumpkin
Yeah,
and
good
rich.
pumpkin.
Yeah, man, Stacy, now girl go prepare to go pasta left back.
Yes, you look at pasta on the side.
That's right.
Pasta, you know. So much of the pan it and the spice.
Spice, that.
And the spice, that pan it, man, the spice, you know.
Oh, you put some spice for
Yeah,
it.
man, somebody, you know. You know. Oh, proper. Yeah, man.
It's proper. Stays from the UK.
Yes, if I'm going
Pick up yourself.
keep going.
One pot of fish.
One pot of fish. You see, now we're done fry
Take
it.
it out of my before I go on.
You see?
Yeah.
You see me, one pot of fish.
Big shark, you know.
Yeah, man, we're done yet. You see that? We're just going to fry, see me, you know?
Yeah.
See me?
Then next.
Together.
Yeah, so remember they are cooked up. Could you yeah? You come to your phone, I try to call your phone to get some.
Irish carrot and
One Irish carrot.
Irish carrot and onion. Yeah, and sweet pepper. Pound everything.
Yeah, but the onion, you cheap onion.
And two sweet pepper. And sweet pepper. Irish carrot and onion and sweet pepper.
Stacy from the UK, blessings and give thanks. Definitely for your support.
See the Stacy.
How chef coming with more fish again.
Oh, yeah, man, Stacy, the final that.
Pot and overflow the fish.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Stacy, see that?
Pot and overflow with fish. Yeah. Fish them and swim over.
Red, gold and green, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, red, gold and green, then we're going to have some more stuff again, you know?
Yeah.
Finish him up.
See there?
See me, I say?
Fish them and swim over, you know everything already.
I'm going to come out too, you know?
Yeah. They say light box.
Yeah, man.
Hear that of this.
Yeah, man, the young one, you know?
Yeah, man.
Young light box.
Two of them in there, you know.
Yeah, and the boy already.
And next to the one that.
Later stays from the UK, one pot of fish.
One pot of fish and more.
And more, you know?
Yeah, we give thanks to you, say God bless you and big up yourself. Who is the star of life? They don't say better full up to
Keep
them.
going, man. They keep, you know, if I feed, really, I give it life.
Of course.
You see, so we have to give thanks. Stacy. Blessed love. Always. And to all of them, I do this, you know.
Yeah.
Food and meal.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see, and a meal keep it going day by day.
Of course.
You see, so give thanks. You see,
Thanks.
blessed
Yes,
love.
blessed. Give thanks. Alright.
Watch my food
Abigail, where the tired? Washing. Yeah, well at least me come catch you when you're almost finished. Now some white top, I bring them come, right?
for you. Go with you.
One does not them.
Go with you.
The dream team tops. Yeah, you can't bring them come.
Don't worry.
There man, I pass through.
Full of face. All up on the road.
All up on the road.
Yeah.
Come on that side here. Abigail, but no stop talking about my dream team chain and I tell you. All the donors that no stop call.
True. Them a call my man.
Call it out.
Yeah, man. The one just like Kino would.
You know what I mean? So everybody gonna look like me. It's a blessing. So the whole of we are one team. So the whole of we should say unified. It's the best. So right now I'm coming check out because there's a donor we send a donation, a deposit.
Stacy.
Oh, you know, you know. So Stacy must do a down payment for our Dream Team chains, you know. So, you know, I'm not have to say 100. So Stacy sent $15,000 for down payment for our chains.
Alright, Stacy, or yourself, order put in right away. Or yourself, you get the Dream Team. So thank you very much for the support from all of the donors.
Yeah.
From all of the donors, I appreciate everybody who call me. You know, and them support me. I'm not in a lie. I'm appreciate it a lot. I get a lot of calls.
Yeah.
Everybody want them Dream Team necklace. I'm appreciate it.
Yeah.
Even if I want them order, I appreciate it a lot.
Of course.
So bless on up.
Of
God
course.
know.
It's a blessing. You know, it's only can encourage you to continue the business what you're doing. You know, because even to them other town and somebody asked me, where you get that pen at the custom? Sometimes I overseas it order from, you know. I'm like, yeah, it's bad, you know.
Yeah.
You know, it's like how it's there.
Yeah.
So it's unusual. So it's, I'm going to say it's more encouragement for you to continue so you can expand your business to the future for come, you know.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, you need something to do on the side.
Yeah.
Just as you say, you know, the donors, them, some of them now really work. So.
Yes, and them still a push out, and then I pandemic, I know enough of them have them bills to pay. Can't find that. You know, so bills is a must.
Of
so and them
course.
still a try. That's what I'm telling them I appreciate, you know, you understand?
Yeah,
I appreciate it a lot.
Yeah man, big time man, really appreciate it man. And Stacy, in no time,
You getting it.
You getting it.
Yourself.
You know. And there was another big order with the men
man, it put into the man.
Put into the Boy, we not say nothing much.
Nah, said nothing much.
Nah, say nothing much. So that one, the proteins,
Yes.
everything sell off. Business gone. Now the upgrade next. No worry man, upgrade next people. So you see next one I'm upgrade. I see me must continue support. It's like how we have Dream Team, we got have Kino life in Jamaica next.
Alright, right this one.
Yes, and we're going to put him an order for that one day next, you know. Kino life in Jamaica. Like how we have Dream Team. What team?
So.
Business shop man, I like it man, you know.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I never have another one I could have on right now. So everything good otherwise though.
They are going to hold it, you know. You know, as I say no, I want to put a little talk, you know, because for me, I want to start my bathroom. I have a look of money when I want to start to buy the material and things, but but I want to look more healthy for like start it up and finish it, you understand? I have it, I'm want to strength. I'm just a beg the donor. I know I have it hard and things, but I just ask it just for my siblings because they know the violence we're going and we have to use the bathroom on the back. And when time them going on the back, I'm kind of afraid because they don't know what can happen. So I just want even the bathroom alone and I forget it in the yard. I beg you now. You can help me towards the bathroom.
Yeah, guys, understandable because these, what them call them 2 shillings? Yeah, the 2 shilling house them, you know, they never built with any kitchen or any toilet or any bathroom. So what happened, you know, they have outdoor toilet and bathroom, which is, as I say, it's not safe because, you know, the animal violence sometimes. The kids them have to come out the yard literally and go around by the back just to use it, which is not safe. So should I really want the strength which she can, well, she already have something here temporary. So should I want a little support where she can have a bathroom and a toilet in the yard, which is she not really have to go outside. So as she explained, she knows that all the donors them have it hard. Yet through the pandemics, most of the donors them not working. So she just asking, you know. No matter how small it is. Just a little support same way. I know we the Dream Team same way can put in the handwork same and give her the strength same way which is needed. I don't know what they are for everybody, you know. So we help as much as we can help. So she's been in the program for a little while now, you know, so her mom been watching over her because as I must say, she's looking after 8 kids and herself 9. You know, so she's a mother of 8 and herself 9. So
plus my 2.
And plus we are 2. So that's
them are adult but still I still call and check up on the one them were big enough. Same way. Them not work, so if they even ask me for $1,000 I'm try. I try my best. If me not have it, I just not have it, you understand?
Yeah.
If I try the one that when I have here, I can do my best.
Yeah.
You know, I try to take them off of the road and keep them in the house and then I go with them. I try to change up certain things, you understand?
Which is right, because it's much needed, you know, because you have to change the mindset of them, you know, to not be on the street too much.
Yeah.
You know, keep them kind of focus when them stay inside when book work, you know,
Yeah,
keep them
definitely.
on the right direction. Because we have, oh, go on.
Did you feel?
Chin face. Yeah, so donors, as I'm saying, you know, no matter how small it is, if you can reach out to Abigail, you know, because we've been doing so from the start and there's no ending, so we can continue seek a little help for her on her journey. That will be great. So she can have a little toilet and bathroom inside the yard because that's really black. You know, and toiletry and them stuff that I really need. So you know, with hands and heart together, it will definitely happen.
Definitely.
You know?
And with God in the middle,
with God
you know?
in the middle, so you know, so it will definitely happen. So we are speak it into being, it will happen. So it's just time.
Time the thing.
At the master.
Time
So
master.
when Father God says the time for do it, nothing can pull you back. We are march coming on here, marching in.
Of course.
So we give thanks, Stacey. Blessings, Stacey. Thanks for the support.
Get your order.
You know, everybody was seeing me with the chain and now give the support. It's well appreciated, you know. Stop a lot of gap. I will give thanks for that. So you can continue to encourage the supporters, you know. We go and expose the thing out there now, Abigail. So
same way.
see you in the future. See you in the future tomorrow.
Alright.
Then guess what? Still playing football? Alright then. Woolen. Abigail.
Blood number friend.
Every time.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.